باب حب الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم من الإيمان. Chapter. To love the messenger, Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a part of faith. حدثنا أبو اليمان قال أخبرنا شعيب قال حدثنا أبو الزناد عن الأعرج عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: فوالذي نفسي بيده لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده. Narrated Abu Huraira, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, by him in whose hands my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children. Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 23 narrations from Abi Huraira wa Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu anhum. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail. Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.